Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 27th of May 2014 market review. Trade for the day to look at is called Nedbank or NED. Last traded price was R230.90. Opportunity to trade the share from a low to a high, we call it a long or buy opportunity. Entry level could be at a level of R231.22. Good target will be R245.65. And the stop loss will be 224 rand. Required and percentage wise in this trade, if it goes higher, is 6.24%. There could be opportunity to buy here this dotted blue line as entry level, and that entry level will be 231.21. If it goes up, it will go to approximately to a target of 245 rand and 65 cents. Please use the red line as a stop loss level of 224 rand if it doesn't want to continue to go higher. Shares to look at as well on the tip sheet will be Money Roberts. Money Roberts is MUR. Last traded price is R25.52. Entry level will be R25.53. It could be a short opportunity, trading the share from a high to a low. Target will be R24.39 and the stop loss will be R20.16. Move requirement is 4.47%. Lonmin is also coming up as a buying opportunity. Currently trading at 45.94 and the entry level could be 46 rand and the target could be 55.67. Stop loss is 41.16. Please take note, these are all the open positions: Shoprite, Investec and the Foschini Group. All of them are in action to trade from a high to a low. And currently, this is the stance of the trade. Shoprite is about 1.53% up on the trade. Investec is about 0.76% up, and TFG, the Foschini Group, 0.19% up. Going downwards, as you can see here, this is a top 40 share. Just look at the blue line here. Trading still between the green line and the red line, that's support and resistance, and still moving higher, breaking new records, especially yesterday. Let's go and look at the Dow Industrials. This is the American markets. I'm going to just zoom in here to give you an indication what's currently happening here. There's the green and the red line, was trading side in the upward channel. Came a bit down, testing the 23.6%. That's the blue line now. It didn't break it to go further down. This one was on this 16,606 points. As you can see, still a bit higher here, awesome at this moment on high levels. The Americans were 63 points higher last night, about 0.3%, but they've got a public holiday today, and currently all markets are a bit in the sideways channel. Some are down, some are up, waiting for direction. So today could be an open free market, so we need to see how the markets will go further on through the course of the day. J200, that's the top 40 shares. As you can see, look at that channel going further up here. Currently in a positive channel, and that causes some shares to go and testing certain highs at this moment. But you can see the positive channel is still there. Trade the channel, that's the rule. There's no downward side at this moment. It's just still a free positive market in the upward channel at this moment. Let's go look at some shares in the retail sector. Shoprite is testing this 23.6%, the 166.89. I'm still waiting for that 166 if there's any downward side to be due here. But look at the share losing a bit of momentum in this downward channel here. Let's go to Mr. Price. Mr. Price came down to this 23.6% on a level of 163.89. Bounced on it, broke up. Next high could be back at 169.85. Shares trading at 168.51 at this moment. As you can see, look at this green channel and the red channel. That is a positive channel now. Shares still going upwards at this moment. Let's go and look at Woolies quickly. Now Woolies is currently also an upward channel. Look at the green and the red line here. But the major concern is the following. It's currently trading sideways here. We're at 76 to 78 rand. That's the sideways channel, currently trading on 77 rand. I can draw this part up here. Look at this part here. There is similar movement that is currently happening here. So we need to see at any time if a breakdown could happen or a further support upwards could happen on this specific trade. Looking at Truworths, look at Truworths here, still in the upward channel. There's a downward channel now forming this bit of a sideways channel, testing this 21-day moving average at this moment. So still it needs to break to 23.6% to say definitely there's a downward channeling happening. But there's still a momentum losing here in the market, and the traders are basically looking at this momentum where the direction could be in the short term. Let's go and run to the banks quickly. Here's Barclays Bank, and if you drive this green line up here, you will see that support, resistance on the top here, still trading above the green line, telling me the share is still in a small positive channel going upwards. Trading range was in a stage about 150, 155. Now the trading range went a bit higher from about 155 to 157. Currently the share is trading at 157.54. FirstRand, as you can see, looking very similar than Barclays, had a nice upward channel moving up there. There was the sideways channel breaking up, now it's forming there on the top. So there's a small channel going up there if you can draw it up. Let's go to Capitec. Now Capitec is currently a concern to me. As you can see, there's the two black lines there, trading between these two black lines, struggling to break 225 for a high movement, and it's currently struggling to break 22 bucks, 222 rand. At any time if it breaks 225 rand upwards, new highs could be formed to 227, most probably higher. At any time if it breaks 222 rand, new downward cycle could go back to 290, 216 in the short term. Let's go back to the MTNs, telecommunication. Nice upward channel, currently testing the new highs as the markets tested this highs. Look at this blue lines here. So let's see where this one and the momentum could take us. I just want to pull up a Bollinger Bands here. As you can see, it's still trading between the green line and the red line channel, still going upwards. Let's go to Vodacom. Let's see if Vodacom did have a bounce here. Now look at this Vodacom channel at this moment. There's the red line coming down. So it's testing this green line, currently trading underneath the green line, and that's the middle of the Bollinger Bands. As you can see here, still a bit of a downward side movement here. You can actually drive this channel down, still trading here at the 61.6%, but this could have been the bounce. Just to make consensus here, I'm going to change this moving averages to a 21, 89, 200-day moving average, and let's quickly check this out. Beautiful. For any time, if this share wants to break up this blue line here, it needs to break this 21-day moving average upwards to go back from the 128.35 levels, most probably back to higher levels above the 130s, 132 levels. So keep a close eye on this specific share at 128.35. Anytime if it breaks this, there will be a consensus that this share will start breaking up here in the short term. Very important to track. So traders, a bit of confusion in the market, some shares high, some shares low. You need to track it very closely for better direction where the market could take us in the short term. So if you look at the share like IPL, Imperials, now this share had a beautiful support here. It seems like a little double top here on the 208, 207 levels here, and we need to see if this would go back to the support levels here, and this green could be the support here. Share seems to be a bit high as on the previous highs here, and let's see where it could take us in the short term. Have a lovely day.